It's getting late, and the rain won't stop. A narrow track, water on both sides. No one out there, just me, and the sound of the rain. The road feels like it shouldn't even exist. A thin line through the water, carved by tractors long forgotten. Somewhere out there, between the rain and silence, the noise in our head disappears. It's late, but the track should lead to camp. It's cold, but at least I'm here. A dry fire pit, some shelter, that's enough for tonight. Finally stopped for the night. Everything is soaked. But it still beats riding in the rain. The rain's been here all day. It never really stops, just changes a rhythm. It's not much of a camp, but after hours in the rain, this feels like luxury. Tomorrow, the road north. For now, just the sound of the rain. This was the sleeping place tonight. This night, and I woke up to this nice sunny weather. So I'm looking forward to go exploring. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. That way. Or this way. I have to look in the map and see what I will find out. It's a little bit early to know, but I came from here. But there's a junction intersection some 100 meters down here. Not that one we see, but one further down. I'm planning on taking, maybe. We shall see. After a long night of rain, the sun feels like a reward. Everything is drying fast. Yesterday when I arrived at this place, this camp spot of mine, it was raining all day, so everything was wet. I get the bonfire, set up camp, and eventually today I'm trying to dry everything in the sun. It's looking to get better. I reckon I am a couple of kilos lighter today than yesterday. If I get out the water out of my clothes and luggage. But in the reckless 80 bags, everything is dry. The worst is my so-called, you see them, Gore-Tex gloves. They are wet, inside and outside. After that, it's a nice day and I'm happy today. I will go gravel riding. It always puts a smile on me. So happy! Back on gravel again. Everything feels right when the road sounds like this. This is the kind of road you dream about in winter. Fast gravel, dry air, no traffic. Old cabins by the lakes. Sometimes I wonder when anyone lived out here. There's a rhythm to it. Throttle, gravel, wind. Hours pass and Sweden just keep unfolding. I could ride like this forever. After hours on gravel, a short stretch of asphalt feels almost unreal. A few small villages, just the engine echoing between the houses. More asphalt ahead, and something I didn't expect. Yes, that was the first tip of the season. But I got her up. And now it's time to look at this lean-to shelter and keep on trucking. Back on the Kingdom Road, that feels right. Pine forest as far as you can see, scent of resin and dust. Steel bridge in the middle of nowhere. These are the things you never plan and never forget. And just like that, gravel turns back to blacktop again. Off the main road again. This is where the good part starts. Every turn feels like new out here. Pine, birch, lake, repeat. A few small villages appear out of nowhere. And just as fast as it appears, it's gone again. Back to the forest, back to the quiet. After hours of forest and dust, a rainbow shows up, like the road saying thanks for staying with it. Steel bridge, smooth tarmac. The road follows the river for a while. Fast, quiet and easy. Then out of nowhere, a Volvo PV Duet. Perfect. Small villages out there feels frozen in time. Just like that, it's quiet. Follow on the lakes for miles, smooth gravel, no traffic, just light and water side by side. Every bridge feels like a checkpoint. Last stretch of gravel for the day. Back on the main road again, closing in on Lapland. Two more bridges to cross, each one a step closer to the end of the day. One more road, narrow, soft and quiet. Every kilometer feels further from everything. End of the day. The road stops here for tonight. A new day. Same road, same rhythm. I've crossed half of Sweden in a single long day. Now I am heading west. West is home.